Here is how to duplicate a table in Airtable step by step. Start in your Airtable base and look across the row of table tabs until you find the table you want to copy. You will be working from the table name itself, so take a moment to confirm that you are on the correct one before you open any menu. This matters if your base includes several tables with similar names or related content. Next, move to the small down arrow next to the table name. Click that arrow to open the table menu. This menu contains actions for the table you currently have selected, so make sure the name beside the arrow matches the table you want to duplicate. Once the menu opens, look through the available options until you find the command for duplicating the table. Click Duplicate Table. This opens the duplication settings, where Airtable asks how you want the new table to be created. At this stage, you are not duplicating it yet. You are choosing whether the new table will include only the structure of the original table or the structure along with the records already inside it. Find the option labeled Duplicate Records. Turn this setting on or off based on your preference. If you turn it on, Airtable will create a copy of the table and include the existing records from the original. If you turn it off, Airtable will duplicate the table structure without bringing over the records. The fields and layout will still carry over, but the new table will start without those entries. This is the main choice in the process, so pause here long enough to decide which version you need. After you have set that option the way you want, continue by clicking Duplicate Table again. This confirms the action and tells Airtable to create the copy. Depending on the size of the table and whether records are included, the duplicate may appear right away or take a brief moment to finish. Stay on the same screen while Airtable completes the action. When the process is done, you will see the new table added to your base as a separate copy. It will sit alongside your other tables, and from there you can open it and continue working with the duplicated version. If you included records, those entries will be present in the new table. If you left records out, the duplicated table will be there with the same structure, but without the original data. Your Airtable table is now duplicated according to the record setting you selected.